Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another Apex Rocketry video. We have something special today. So when we started the channel, we had a goal. We wanted 100 subscribers. And when we hit that, we were honestly blown away. And then we thought maybe 1,000. And then one day we dared to think, what if we hit 100,000? Well, we've done it. And we got this little treat from YouTube, and we're going to unbox it together. Let's take a look here and see what we got. Unfortunately, YouTube changed the size of these like 2 months ago. So we just missed the deadline, but that's okay. I'm not too crushed by that. I'm just excited to get one of these. Let's take a look. First thing we get is a nice card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Then we get a letter. Do you remember your first subscriber? I actually do not. I don't remember who that was. It was probably a family member. Your 100th, that I do not, or your 1,000th. Chances are you do. Okay, well, clearly they don't know me. We know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. I remember getting that. I don't remember who it was. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. Ours came from shorts, honestly, which is probably the easy way to get this, but hey, we got it, so I'm thrilled. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows? When you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to ask you, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Thank you, Neil. And there it is. Let's take this out of the plastic. Ooh, look at that. Presented to Apex Rocketry for passing 100,000 subscribers. So this is really light. Like I wasn't sure what to expect. It's also quite a bit smaller than the older ones. The older ones were like 2 inches wider and like 3 or 4 inches taller. I'm sure there was a little more girth to them as well. Got little hangers on here. That is going to look great on our wall. We are going to bring this to some club rocket launches. We're going to take it to the park for launches. You're going to see this on the channel because we could not have done it without you, and we appreciate every single person that has subscribed, that has commented, that has liked, that has shared videos. A special thanks to a guy in our club, David Anisman, who has had several unfortunate events with his rockets that have generated significant traffic to our website. Thank you, David. I owe half of this to you. And then there was another person from our club, and I don't know who it was. I don't know whose rocket it was. If you look up model rocket becomes a tiki torch, you'll see the one. That's the one that really put us over the top. And I wish I knew whose rocket that was because it was fantastic. It was just glorious, and I'm so glad I was there to see it in person. So I want to thank everyone for helping us to get this. You know what's next after this? Let's go for gold. Thanks a lot.